How to fix DaVinci AI Image Generator app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now, at the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can launch the app and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, close this, launch your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Now head towards the option of iPhone storage. Over here you're gonna find different apps. Head towards the app DaVinci. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether a problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you have just deleted this app from your device. Close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app DaVinci. Once app appears, install it. By this, your problem will be fixed. So applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. This is how you can fix DaVinci AI Image Generator app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.